What is up, guys? Stevie with Scotch and Things. Kind of been strider heavy lately on the channel. This SNG, I really thought I was going to sell it. I really like it. So I've got, oh wait, is this? Oh, it was heavy. He mentioned it didn't come with a pouch. Didn't have the pouch. Oh man. The Strider Stubby. Custom, Mick Strider Custom. These things, I mean, look at it. It looks kind of... is it called the XL Stubby, or just... I think it's just the Stubby. Here's an XL. Here's an SNG. They've always just kind of intrigued me, but here's what I liked about it. Oh, Nightmare Grind, Dragon Spine. Oh, hey, it's comfortable. All right. Yeah, about the size, just maybe a little smaller than an SNG. There's an SMF. Gone kind of crazy lately on the Striders. But that's okay, they're good knives. I wanted another custom. I'd been looking, and a couple of these have been popping up, and I got a really good deal on this. And I don't think, Strider guys, help me out. There's one they call thermal, and I don't think this is thermal. This is like a orange peel anodized. I think the thermal it's got more color to it, if I'm right. Like where this is more purple and blue, I think the thermal has some orange or whatnot in it. God, I love that Nightmare Grind, guys. Sorry, I'm just checking it out off camera. Can I thumb it? No. Weird angle for that. I'll have to practice. So yeah, there we go. I wanted another custom. I don't know why. I've been on the hunt and couldn't make some deals work on some of them. Some guys want an arm and a leg for them, and like I said, I got a pretty good deal on this one because he didn't have a pouch for it, or he kept the pouch, but he gave me a case. Yay. Nothing. So there, just another quick Strider unboxing, guys. The Strider Stubby, the Mick Strider Custom Stubby. You can get a non-custom Stubby, like a production. I haven't seen them make them in a while, excuse me, but there's some floating out there, and they've got a blade with more belly, and I don't like that large belly that has, but that recurve Tonto, yeah, I like that. Dragon spine, perfect centering. Not sure what blade steel this is. If it's older, it's probably 20 CV or something, I don't know. He didn't know for sure, but who knows? Who cares? Perfect, solid like a rock. Yeah, what do you guys think? Funny looking because it's thicker down here, but when you get it in hand, it just really kind of fills your, like, you can't hold it back here like a normal Strider. Like, your only position is this choked up position, and I'm fine with that. That's my preferred when I'm cutting or using a Strider. I like that choked up position. What do you guys think? Yeah, I know the color's kind of out there. Yeah. All right, guys. Just another quick Strider unboxing. I'll carry this, and you guys will get an update on this. I know I've got a lot of updates to get. Excuse me, to get you guys, but I've had a lot of stuff come in. I need help, and this isn't. I've still got 1, 2, 3 more knives coming in. I definitely need like a support group or something. There's got to be like AA for knife buying. Because just this week, there's the dire wear. I've got these in just this week. Oh God, I need help. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Just a quick unboxing on the Strider, the Stubby Nightmare Grind. Oh God, yeah, like I said, the color's kind of out there. Man, this thing is comfortable in hand. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later.